In this video, I'll show you how to allow camera access on Snapchat via settings. To get started, go ahead and open your device. Now, make sure that the Snapchat app is installed on your device. So go ahead and scroll down into the app list on your device and look for Snapchat. So long press on Snapchat and click on app info from this. So that will take you into the app info section. Now on the app info section, you'll be able to find the app permissions tab. Simply click on that app permissions tab, and under that you'll be able to find the different permissions that you can give to this app. Simply select camera from here, and that will take you into a new page where you'll be able to select the permission that you have for the camera onto your Snapchat application. So simply select allow only while using the app, and that is how you can simply allow camera access on Snapchat via settings. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.